What's up, folks? It's the Lecture Fan vlog. We're back on YouTube. We're doing it. It's a Friday. I'm out cruising from Billings to Bozeman. I'm going up to the cabin this weekend. I've got drones, I've got GoPros, I've got GH4s. We got the whole shebang. We're making movies. I pulled off here, right here on the Yellowstone River. There she is. This is the Yellowstone River. We're in between Big Timber and Livingston. And I just got this first drone flight in, so let's get this vlog started right with some cinematic sequence with the aerial drone flight of the Yellowstone River, crazy mountains, and the Absaroka Mountains. Go. What up, folks? So, we are 10 miles north of Helena, Montana, at the gates of the mountain exit. There's also an historical point here of some kind, but I pulled off. You know what I was gonna say earlier on that I thought of? Really, this weekend right now, this is the first genuine heat wave we had all summer. It's July 10th or something like that. In Billings, it got all the way up to 99 degrees, 98 degrees, 99 degrees when I left earlier. Right now, it's 6:30 p.m. It's 89 degrees. We're at Gates of the Mountain, about 10 miles north of Helena, at this little historic point. Looks like a beautiful area. I haven't really been stopping and flying my drone as much because it's been really cloudy. I haven't been getting rained on, but all the mountains were getting rain, which made it very difficult to see, and it was very hazy and cloudy. I wasn't excited to, you know, to check out. I was gonna show you something right here. If you look this way, that's called the Sleeping Giant. And if you can see right there in the center of the screen, that thing poking up, that small little poke up, that's the nose. And then going to the left, you see the neck where it drops down, and then it rises back up where the guy's chest is. And so that's the Sleeping Giant. This is like a historical point over here. We got some cattle. We're out and about. I think I'm gonna set up my camera to do a time lapse, but for now, I wanted to show y'all the drone flight. Check it out. Boom. Oh man, this is bad, guys. I just crashed my drone, my Phantom 4 Advanced. You know what? I do have DJI's insurance policy, which I paid a couple $100 for when I got it. As long as you still have the drone, I can replace it, but man, it still sucks because that means I'm out of a drone now for this weekend, and probably a couple weeks before that DJI can replace it. So that's still a big bummer, but it's not a $1,200 loss. It's like a extra $100 deductible on the insurance policy. That's kind of rough. I got the drone, so I should be able to replace it, but no more drone for this weekend, which is a bummer, but it just means I'll get to focus more on slow motion and things like that. So like this time lapse, check out this time lapse, go. All right, good morning folks. It is Saturday morning, probably about noon. Been hanging out this morning, drank about 5 cups of coffee with my parents. We're talking, we're hanging out. Yesterday my drone crashed, and then I got up to the cabin last night, Friday night, set my GH4 on the back of my pickup truck because I was about to go do something, and I talked to my parents, and then I decided to go down and do a time lapse. As I was driving out, my GH4 fell off the back of my pickup truck and I ran over it and totally crushed it. So now I have nothing left but this G7X. I did about $3,000 worth of damage to my electronics and cameras and drones and everything and lenses yesterday. So it sucks. Nothing for the rest of this vlog besides G7X stuff. Cool thing is I'm alive and I'm up here. Here's the cabin. And my parents are cooking the eggs and hash browns and sausage and everything else for breakfast, which is gonna be good. Oh, it's perfect out there.
Did you check the temp? It's 80.
80 degrees?
Yep.
What time is it right now?
11:30. 10 to 12.
10 to 12. Oh, those eggs and hash browns look good. Look at how good that looks.
These little...
Oh yeah, that does look handy. Where'd you get it?
You know where I think I got it? Is at like at Sportsman's Warehouse or something.
Wow, this has been worked on a bit. Anyway, about noon or 1 here, we're gonna go canoe the Missouri. What'd you find out here?
Seats, this.
Seats and life jackets.
Rope for the bow. Oh, I got this other one. Got a rope up there to get it in the water. Oh, we gotta get a couple of paddles.
Wait, you need the rope. Wait, why did...
That rope on that end.
Oh, it's do you tie it or?
I just already did that. Yeah, that one's on there ready to go. I tied it to the handle rope on the front, and then we need
Just to what? Just to grab when you jump out of the water? Or?
Yeah. For either someone to either get out or grab the rope. We want these two, probably longer ones, huh?
Yeah. So we're driving down to the Missouri right now. It's 2 p.m. Saturday. We're gonna go canoe the Missouri, and we're just cruising down. And you were saying that you got the sprinkler running.
Oh yeah, that one of the coolest things about the projects we've accomplished so far up here at the cabin is getting the spring kind of, we found it. Then we've got the pipe running into the cistern. We got the water flowing into the cistern, then out of the cistern down about 15 feet where the pipe, and then we ran the 1,500 feet of pipe all the way down to the yard, and then hooked that up, put a valve in it, and now we've got water coming out of the spring all the way to the yard, sprinkling the yard. And so I think that's one of the coolest accomplishments we've made so far.
Totally, that is cool. Yeah, to actually be putting your water right to use.
Yes, yeah.
That's pretty cool. Said that, I figured I'd get that on video. Hopefully I'll get the spring on video too later, because I like trying to document how much water's coming out of the spring, at least on video. So if you ever wanted to go back and look over the course of like 5 or 10 years, you could see video from multiple times throughout each year's summer and just kind of compare and contrast. But I'm also stoked to go float the Missouri River. Here are the Big Belt Mountains just looking beautiful.
Here comes the
just green. Oh, here's the input. Cool. So this is Devil's Kitchen, fishing access. Devil's Kitchen. So you could go further up though and put in. You can float as long as you really want on this.
Yeah, we could.
So when you said the long way, it's not even really the longest way you could go.
Oh no, we could go all the way to the dam.
Wow, look how wet it is up here.
Yeah, it is really wet. I wonder why.
I think the river came up.
No.
From rain.
Oh, maybe, yeah. The river is high though. It's cruising.
Yeah,
it's moving. It's going quick. Alright folks, we're done. We're at Pruitt Fishing Access. There's a campground here too. Fairly busy, given it that is a weekend on the beautiful Missouri. That entire float took us 56 minutes. So hopefully you enjoyed that GoPro turned into time lapse. That whole entire thing was 56 minutes, so that was it. Check it out.